Yo, what up? Roman wasn't built in a day here. I'm in Pasadena right now. Today I have actually my first day for documenting my new soon to becoming docu-series about an 8-week weight loss challenge. There's a cash prize. Today's orientation, but that's not until 5. It's like 9 a.m. right now. Went and hit my regular morning target P. And I got nothing going on with Pago today, so I am going to cold knock, baby. Get your foot in the door. By the way, this is episode 5 of Get Your Foot in the Door, man, a series where I show you guys how to get your foot in the door in the sales industry, in the marketing industry, in the video, photo industry, and really these principles that I'm going over and you will be learning throughout this series are things that will help you literally do anything you want to do. You got to network. If you want to accomplish something, man, you got to network. Unless you are already like, no, you got to network. There's no way. You have to network, bro. So getting your foot in the door, that's what I do, baby. So yeah, so I'm in Pasadena, and I've kind of shifted from like, okay, I'm really desperate, but I don't want to just walk into every single shop or small business and like end up signing myself into a deal that is either not what I want to do or just not with a person I really want to work with. So I'm kind of shifting over, you know, even though I'm desperate, I still got to be smart. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to die from getting myself into further debt, but it does suck and I want to get out of it. But I think that the fastest way and the best way to do that long term is to create strong, lasting business relationships. So that being said, I'm looking on Google Maps right now for car garages. What I want to do, I want to make sure that people know that I am a social media person. I know how to run their page and run ads for them, but I also think that I would just enjoy the work more personally. Not that I don't love Facebook ads. I love Facebook ads. But I would have a lot more fun doing a show or a vlog about, say, like a car garage or a gym, like I'm doing a docu-series or a vlog around these businesses to really create lasting brand. And that's just gonna last so much longer. Like I'm gonna gain way more respect and reputation by doing it this way versus just running ads. And I'm definitely gonna drop content about running ads and running social media so you guys can understand how to sell that aspect of it too. But for me personally, I want to storytell. I want to get really fucking good at storytelling. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna go for. And I think that wins at the end of the day. You feel me? So I'm scrolling through Yelp or whatever is on the Apple Maps options, and there's like 10 auto shops in Pasadena within like a 1 mile radius or less of, or like a half-mile radius. A 1 mile radius, there's like 10 of them with 5 stars. They all have amazing reviews. A lot of them are like from a year ago, but still. This one I just see Troy and his dad are top-notch guys. Immediately, boom. Father-son dynamic in the business. I already know. That's just interesting to me. And if it's interesting to me, it might be interesting to somebody else. So that's the one I'm going to hit first. I got to remember, if they don't bite, that's okay. There's a shit ton of fucking auto shops in LA. And I really want to pick the right people. So there's no rush to close this deal. What matters is the quality. The quantity matters too. By the way, I appreciate every single one of you guys for tuning in to these vlogs, these episodes, my YouTube channel, man. Seriously fucking appreciate it. I appreciate everybody showing love and leaving comments. I saw a video title by Gary Vee, and it said winning equals content quantity plus comment quality, man. And you guys have been killing it with the comments. I love the encouragement. Criticism too, I don't mind if you drop it down below, man. Drop any thoughts. My comments are open. I'm not gonna get mad at you. If you snap at me, I might snap back, but you know, whatever. It happens. Just show some love if you want to, show some hate if you want to, give me some feedback. Either way, positive, negative, I appreciate you for taking the time to do it. Okay, actually, I just found an independent Porsche repair. I think that sounds a little bit more niche, a little bit more marketable maybe. I think I'm gonna hit that one first. Hey. I guess it would be easier if I had like a pod for this. Hey, how's it going? This your shop? Is this your shop?
Yes.
Oh, Roman.
Hey, how are you?
Nice to meet you. Thank you. Kind of new. I'm a videographer, photographer. I was wondering if you might be interested in doing like some content, like kind of a show around your shop for your Facebook or something like that. Maybe a better time we could talk about it.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
You're talking about doing what though?
Basically a show,
but on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, YouTube, Facebook channel.
Okay.
Basically, kind of like a day in the life type show, just showing like the dynamic between the people who are working here and show a little bit character, like so people see a face, match a face with the brand. Would that be maybe something you're interested in?
Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. How long have you been doing this?
I've been shooting video for like 12 years.
Yeah.
It's been a while. I actually used to work for a shop in Upland. I ran like their social media.
Oh.
That was like 2009.
Right.
So I kind of sucked back then. But
2009 was a long time ago as far as that stuff wasn't even that big, right?
Yeah, I do. It was a much better opportunity back then. But I do a lot of music videos. So I just did one with a bunch of cars in it. I don't know if you want to take a look at the footage. Running it, or you post on it yourself?
No, we post on this.
Like you do, personally?
Yeah, I don't have time really to do it.
Yeah. I mean, it's free advertising.
So what is it you want to do as far as what does it take?
Well, it's really kind of catered to your needs. Like if you need help actually running your social media and posting on it, I could help you with that. I could provide the content, or I could also like post it and caption and do all that stuff for you.
What about just
for video, just to do like the YouTube thing. I probably need to come in for like 3 to 4 hours at least.
Right.
Say once or twice a week. I mean, it depends. Like
you want to do like a weekly thing?
Yeah, I would like to do maybe like every 2 weeks, put out an episode and do maybe like 10 episodes and see how it does.
Right.
I would recommend if you're able to push it on Facebook a little bit with some ads in the local area. I think that would be really interesting. It would help out a lot.
What shop did you work at in that?
It was in Upland. It was called Walton Fabrication. This guy Todd Walton, he also made like bolt-in kits for like 49 and 54 Chevys. I sold those online, so I did that like advertising back then.
Right.
I've had a lot. I've done I do it for myself. I do for a few other businesses, but
Sure.
I'm trying to like kind of not just diversify, but I don't want to make content or run ads for businesses that are like in the same market, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I'm only gonna pick one. Like if you wanted to do this, I came here because it's Porsches. It's interesting. People like that. People are gonna watch it.
It's one of the most favored model right now out there.
You know,
other than the Highline exotics, but
yeah. So
there's so many exotics.
yeah, but this is like interesting.
These Porsches and the classic Porsches have the character and the thing that people want to see.
Yeah.
Like we're doing a restoration on this car.
Yeah, I saw that.
So we could probably just start with that and say, hey, this is what we're doing, we're storing it, this is what we're putting on today.
Yeah.
Stuff like that.
Exactly, and then you could even throw in.
Bottom line, what do you charge? Do you charge? What do you want?
Yeah, so I charge per project. That's why I'm trying to figure out like what would be best for you.
Right.
You know, to come in like once a week. I usually do like 200 a week. I guess come in twice a week. I can do 500 a week, and then I could also add in like a package of photos if you want to have that for your social media for like an extra 100 throwing some
Let me
photos.
talk to my other guy that works with me here.
Okay.
See what he thinks.
Yeah.
Give me your card.
Sure.
We could look at your stuff, get an idea.
This is my Instagram right here. You can search it on YouTube also or wherever right there. My name's Roman.
Perfect.
Yeah. You need any other contact? And like, write down an email or
You
anything?
got your email? No?
I can write it down.
I'm gonna write it down.
But yeah, this is just my Instagram. It's more of it's a sticker. So.
I got you. Cool. Gotcha.
But yeah, let me know. I would love to work with you guys. I think.
Okay. You around here? Where do you live?
I live in Claremont. I just moved back in with my parents. I was living in Arizona for like the past 6 years.
Right.
Moved back, and my girlfriend works out in this area, and like I have some friends out here, so I'm trying to drum up some more clients in this area. I got a new client. I'm doing like a 4-episode show on a weight loss competition in Highland Park. Winner gets like $2,500. That's what like my main project right now. I also work like I have equity in a company called Pago. They do mobile grooming for pets.
Yeah.
So I do all their social media and content and stuff.
Okay. Cool.
It's the surfing servant at Gmail.
Surfing.
The surfing servant. Man.
Perfect.
Cool.
Okay, awesome, man.
Yeah, let me know.
Yeah.
Really look forward to speaking with you guys.
A week or so we'll talk about it, my guy.
Sweet. All right, man. Good to meet you.
Thanks, man.
What was your name again?
Jack.
Jack. All right. Oh, sweet. All right. I'll talk to you later.
There you go.
Yeah, I think that went pretty well. Met my man Jack. Hopefully that goes through. But I'm not gonna bank on it. Still got to go find some more shops. So let's find another shop. Let's try to find like an exotic shop. I mean, this is LA, man. There's got to be some fucking shops around here. Oh, fuck me. I just remembered that I forgot to bring my fucking lights for the shoot tonight. So I was gonna go to Beverly Hills and hit this car shop. Maybe that's so much driving, bro. And by the way, like, shout out, my girlfriend is letting me borrow her car, dude. What a gracious fucking soul. She's fucking letting me borrow her car. She's gassing it up for me so I can go out and do this shit, man. So shout out to her for making it possible for me to even get out and find work, man. But she believes in me, and she's been a big part of, you know, me continuing to believe in myself, because I don't all the time, man. Sometimes shit, I get negative in my head, bro, and it hurts me. I think that's like the biggest thing. Like, I'm in my own way a lot of the time. But we're making big changes, and we're getting out, and we're getting it, and we're doing shit on my fucking terms, man. My terms. We're doing it on my terms. We're doing what I want to do. That's what I'm doing. I'm building my fucking life, man. So, thank you guys. But yeah, I gotta run back home and to my parents' house and grab all these fucking lights, because I'm stupid. Alright, let's do it. Alright. Packed up the whip. I've already pre-made. Actually, this is the first time I've set up these soft boxes for the interviews at the Fit Body Boot Camp Highland Park 8-week fitness challenge. You dig? Yeah, let's get it on.